Welcome back as we next look at some useful oil disposal equipment. As responsible workers, it is our duty to ensure that lubricants do not pollute our environment. Old or waste oil should always be stored in containers. Many companies have large tanks into which old oils are stored and then collected by companies who specialize in the recycling of oil. Oil being drained from machinery must be allowed to fall into a suitable container. A very useful device is this 80-liter capacity adjustable drain unit, designed primarily for use beneath raised vehicles in which the oil is caught and collected. Another useful device is this low drainer, designed to be wheeled in beneath vehicle assemblies which require draining. A more advanced method of oil draining is achieved using this vacuum system, whereby, for example, an engine's oil may be drained directly from the unit via the oil-level dipstick tube, thus eliminating the need to remove drain plugs. It may sometimes be necessary to resort to draining oil into any handy or available container. But whatever you do, make sure that afterwards you tip this oil into a suitable storage or disposal tank, such as an old oil drum. Never pour it away into the ground. Many responsible companies make use of special oil disposal pumping devices to discharge the old oil from the catcher units to bulk storage tanks. After the break, we'll be looking at greasing equipment.